take it anymore. I guess I had to let you know I was wrong to let you go. You were my own, but I failed to play my role. Breaking out became a goal. Now I'm empty with no soul.